Hello, this is Attorney Aiza and I'm back for another question and answer portion. So we have here another question from Christine Martinez Mejorada. Hello, friend. Okay, pag below 250,000 ang income, required ba mag-file ng ITR? Okay, so under the law, if your net taxable income, okay, regardless whether you are a purely compensation income earner, meaning ang imong source of income isa lang, sweldo lang, you are an employee. Or kung ikaw ay engaged in business, like for example, self-employed ka na akay convenience store business, or you are engaged in the exercise of your profession, let's say you are a lawyer, tapos na akay law office, okay? So kapag 250,000 ang annual taxable income nimo, wala kay bayaran nga tax, nga income tax, as in zero income tax. But question, are you required to file an income tax return? It depends. Kasi if you are a purely compensation income earner, meaning ang source of income mo is purely your compensation or your salary, no, na ginasweldo sa imuha sa imong employer, you are not required under the law to file your income tax return. Why? Because ang imuhang salary tax gina-withhold na ng employer at ang employer na ang mag-remit sa BIR. That is what we call substituted filing of income tax. So, ang mag-file na baliana, ang magbayad dito sa BIR, si employer. But if you are engaged in business, let's say you have a sari-sari store, you have a convenience store, or engage in the exercise of your profession, na kay law office, accounting office, or unsa ba dira, no? Basta business, even if ang imuhang net taxable income is 250,000 and below, even if zero ang imong income tax, under the law, under the train law, you are still required to file your income tax return. That's all for today. Bye! Thank you, Christine Martinez Mejorada, for that wonderful question. Uy, thank you sa filter, may pa-eyelashes. Bye!